Ever wondered how people make money online without selling their own products? It's all about affiliate marketing. Think of it like being a trusted recommender. You find products or services you genuinely love, like a specific fitness tracker or a popular online course, and you share a unique link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, often between 3 and 10%. The key to hitting that $1,000 a month goal is choosing a niche you're passionate about and understand, like sustainable living products or beginner photography gear. Then create valuable content around it. This could be honest product reviews on your blog, helpful tutorials on YouTube, or even just sharing your favorite finds on social media with your followers. Companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer tons of programs to join. Consistency and providing real value are crucial. Don't just spam links. Build an audience by offering genuine advice and demonstrating the benefits of the products. With a strategic approach and consistent effort, earning that extra $1,000 a month with affiliate links is totally achievable.